Villa S by Andersson Stare, perched atop a mountain on Sweden's Orust Island, exemplifies a sensitive architectural response to a dramatic Nordic landscape. The house is composed of two offset volumes that adapt to the mountain's steep contours. One volume sits close to the rocky surface, while the other bridges a greater height difference. This arrangement not only preserves the rugged character of the site but also creates protected outdoor spaces and a variety of spatial experiences as residents move between the interior and the landscape. Materiality plays a central role in blending the house with its surroundings. The exterior is clad in uniform wooden paneling, treated to harmonize with the granite outcrops and pine trees. The subdued, minimalist palette allows the house to recede visually into the landscape, appearing as a monolithic form emerging naturally from the mountain. Rainwater drainage systems are discreetly hidden behind the cladding, maintaining the purity of the architecture's lines. Internally, the program is clearly divided between social and private zones. Upon entry, visitors are drawn into the social areas, where expansive glazing frames panoramic views of the fjord and large sliding doors open onto a terrace that seamlessly extends into the mountain. The private areas, such as the master bedroom, are more enclosed yet still offer sweeping views and direct access to the terrace, ensuring a constant connection to nature. Villa S demonstrates a profound understanding of site and context. Its design respects the original terrain, employs local materials, and organizes space in direct response to the environment. The result is a contemporary residence that achieves a rare harmony with its wild Nordic setting, illustrating the potential of minimalist architecture to both inhabit and celebrate the landscape.